We are pleased to recognize and confer the next honorary degree awarded today, Doctor of Humane Letters, on Dr. David Contasta, Professor of History and Chair of History. Dr. Jeffrey Carroll, Professor of Political Science and Chair of the Center for Data and Society, will present the candidate. Carol Stanora Young will present the doctoral hood.
Today, I am so privileged to honor my colleague, mentor, and friend, Dr. Contasta, PhD. Dr. Contasta is Professor of History and Chair of the History Department here at TC. And earlier, he served as Director of the college's American Studies program and of the Interdepartmental Honors Program. He's the author of 25 books that include publications of national and international interest. Among these are Henry Adams and the American Experiment, America in the 20th Century, The Private Life of James Bond, Rebel Giants, The Revolutionary Lives of Abraham Lincoln and Charles Darwin, America's Needless Wars, Cautionary Tales of U.S. Involvement in the Philippines, Vietnam, and Iraq, and a forthcoming title, A Republic If You Can Keep It, The American Presidential Experiment. Dr. Contasta has also published several books about people and places in the local area. Among these are A Philadelphia Family, The Houstons and Woodwards of Chestnut Hill, Suburb in the City, Chestnut Hill, Philadelphia, Metropolitan Paradise, Philadelphia's Wissahickon Valley, that's co-authored with Carol Franklin, and Histories of both Villanova University and St. Joseph's University. A first novel entitled Happenstance is also set largely in this region and will appear later this year. And several years ago, he published a memoir entitled An American Childhood about his growing up in a small Ohio town. Dr. Contasta has produced, written, and or appeared in several documentary films, has been interviewed many times on both radio and television, and has given numerous book signings and other in-person talks in Philadelphia and surrounding communities, as well as before professional organizations. In addition, he has lectured at Nanjing University in China, at Pyeongtaek University in South Korea, has been a visiting research professor at Cambridge University in England, as well as a Fulbright scholar to France. Dr. Contasta received the Lindback Award for Distinguished Teaching, the Chestnut Hill Award from the Chestnut Hill Community Association, and a commendation for extraordinary achievements from the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Dr. Contasta has been a member of the Chestnut Hill College faculty for 51 years. Good. So President McCloskey, is with great pride that we acknowledge the remarkable achievements of Dr. David Contasta, conferring him with the honorary degree, Doctor of Humane Letters from the Chestnut Hill College. Okay.
Dr. David Contasta, in recognition of your outstanding service to our students, the Chestnut Hill College community, society, and for your humanitarian efforts, I am pleased to confer upon you the degree Doctor of Humane Letters, honoris causa.
I'm extraordinarily proud to be a member of the Chestnut Hill College class of 2025 and to be a proud alumnus of Chestnut Hill College. So, the highlight of my being here is teaching students and meeting so many exciting people, including some real characters on the faculty over the years. And probably the first faculty member I met here was Sister Mary Helen Kashuba, who was Sister Irma Mercedes back then. And we discovered that we both had Fulbrights to France, we both had studied the same person, that we'd done research in the same crazy archives in Orléans, where they were constantly turning the lights on and off, depending on whether the sun was out or going back behind clouds. I guess in an early day desire to be ecologically sensitive. And I've taught several faculty members, including Sister Barbara Longquist and the chairperson of your board. So I want to thank Jeffrey for that very kind introduction, and I hope I can live up to it in the years ahead. Thanks so much.
Take that.